Hi everybody, Bill here, EOT Pro Live. Okay, we're talking about the chopometer. You know, I always talk to everybody in the room, talk to all of you guys about price indicators. Keltner channels, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, stochastics, MACDs, RSI, CCI, da 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 da. I don't use any of those. Those are examples of price indicators. This is our price indicator. This is the price indicator that I choose to use. It is important for your analysis to have a price indicator in it, not 10 price indicators. Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels and moving averages and stochastics and RSI and CCI are all price indicators. You don't want to have all of those on your chart at the same time because you're looking at the same thing. I hope that helps you guys, that you newbie traders who are being killed. You don't want all those indicators on your chart. You want one price indicator. This is ours. It's called the chopometer, and it measures force and amplitude of price. Measures force and amplitude of price. When it breaks out of these two blue bands to the bottom, it means that price has got some force to the downside. Got more force to the downside. Force to the downside. Force to the downside. So when you're down here like this and then it starts to move up, it means that the force is to the downside is diminishing. Force, we break out to the downside, and now it means that the force to the downside is diminishing. And when you're in these channels, it means that there is no movement. For example, take a look at this area in here. We don't have a lot of movement in here, right? We're just kind of just sideways in here. And the chopo meter is telling you that, look, man, don't bother trading in there because we ain't got enough force to break out. There's just no movement. Now, I also think that multiple time frames is important. Built into this indicator, we are actually looking at it on a higher time frame. Right now we're looking at 3382 volume bars. But this chopometer is based off of 7752 volume bars. It's actually built in, has synthetically higher time frames. If you wanted, we could actually change this to like 10,000 volume bars. Okay. And now all of a sudden you're looking at the chopometer, you're looking at force on a 10,000 volume bar chart, whereas price can be on a 1,000 volume bar chart. If price can be on 1,000 volume bar chart, but you're looking at 10,000 volume bar chart on this chopometer. So built in, we have the higher time frames. Okay, it's kind of cool because we are analyzing other time frames is very, very important, in my opinion. And so we do so. We use this indicator as our price indicator so that we know what the amplitude and force of price is doing in higher time frames. If we change this indicator to 1,000 to show what price is doing on the same time frame that we're looking at, we can do that too. And there it is. It's a lot more frenetic and jumpy and so I like to look at higher time frames on the chopometer. It's a great indicator for that point. I just want to remind everybody that you can use this indicator for your own methodology. If you have a methodology that you need some more confirmation for of a breakout happening, or you perhaps want to eliminate some of this low level chop. You can see how price is in low level chop here. Low level chop means that price is in a train track. It looks like train tracks. Here, this looks like train tracks. And you can see that the chopometer does a good job of telling you when you don't want to trade. There certainly is no amplitude and force of price here, is there? There certainly is not. Now you can see right now price is starting to break up a little bit, and the chopometer is out of this blue zone, which means that you don't want to trade when prices when this indicator is in the blue zone. So you can use this indicator for your own confirmation on your own system. Again, I want to tell you that the outputs for this indicator are fully available if you want to write strategies. It's fully available for you can tie it in with other indicators, and we offer functions and the data output for NinjaTrader, eSignal, multi-charts, and TradeStation. So that is the chopometer. I hope you guys enjoyed this little presentation, and we will talk to you later. Bye.